So, yun nga, welcome back sa mundo ng teknolohiya. Dito tayo ngayon sa mundo ng seguridad. How the smart cities manage their own security. Tadadaan! At na-discuss natin kanina paano gawin ng Amerika anong mga smart cities ng kanilang ekonomiya. This time, seguridad naman. Paragoy, hindi mo na itatanong, itanong mo na lang kasi kanina nag-off to. So nawala lahat yung introductory ko. And anong nangyari? Yan ang makikita mo. nauna ang main thought kaysa sa intro. Well, anyway, magsisimula ulit tayo ng bago, mga kainis. So paano nga ba ng Amerika anong mga smart city na yan ang kanilang seguridad? So ano nga ba, paano? Dito kasi CCTV sa Amerika hindi ganyan. Yan, makikita mo Starlink lumilipad-lipad yan sa space. Nagpo-provide na kaya yan ng internet? Hindi. Kasi ako mismo IT, meron akong ginawang vlog na nandun nakalagay image fee ng lugar ko. At yan nga naman ang modernong panahon, pare ko. Kaya walang takas si Mayor Governor noon. Wag hindi niya. At isa pa, atong yang Google na yan, sakto. Yung Google ayaw, meron silang tinatawag na Google Map. Kung hindi mo na itatanong, lahat ng internet, lahat ng mga bagay sa internet ngayon, hawak natin. Sila mismo ang may hawak niyan. Google, Samsung, ay ang mga yan, www. World Wide Web, ARPANET, Pentagon ang may hawak niyan. Kaya kung ano man yung mga makikita mo dyan, like satellite video, satellite image 3, kaya naman yung Google Map, parte yan ng security ng Amerika. And whatever you do in the internet, sila ang unang makaka-detect nan. Hindi ang Pilipino, because tayo, we are just the user. Yan. Ang tatandaan mo, pare ko, yan. Paano sila mag-handle? Paano ba iniha-handle ng yung mga ganyan? Yung mga security nila, well, they are modernized civilization. Hindi tayo. Kung sasabihin mong CCTV, yun, pwede. Pwede yung CCTV. Pasensya na't nakat, ha? Saan ba ako uminto, ha? Yung CCTV. Hindi ano ang CCTV, ha? Ito yung tawag na pangmaliit ang scope. But when you use the huge scale ito na yon, satellite imagery. Yung magtataka kang, but why? How are they doing it? Diba? So, you have to expect. Ito tayo. Ito ang i-imaginein mo. Ito tayo si Lapu-Lapu. We are like holding jungle bolos. And here comes America using the artillery. Hindi pala. Hindi artillery. They are now using your laser beam. Diba? And magtataka ka ngayon, why are they doing it? And how are they doing it? Well, they have their own civilization. Hindi sila tanga. And hindi tanga nga they have their own civilization. They are managing it, they are ruling it, and they are trying to peace, and they are trying to subjugate the criminals, heinous international criminals with the use of technology. And that's how are they doing it. Hindi yung kailangan ganito, ganyan. No, they are not like that. They are not like that. Imagine mo si Pilipino sa 2006 naghasik ng I love you virus. He is from the Philippines. He created a link and then naghasik siya. Naituro kasi yan sa amin when we enter the world of information tech. And ang doon, ang bahan nga lang right now, ang pagkakacheck ko, it is just a link. Ang sabi ni Professor, porn site. Na wag i-click mo yung link, lalabas ng porn sa internet. Ang galing din ni sir, no? Sinek ko siya ngayon. It's just a link and it will be sent on your emails, di ba? Sa lahat ng emails, nakakonect doon sa mga ano mo, Gmail, di ba? Yan ang Filipino. And when that Filipino naghasik, because hindi niya alam na it is from the United States, it is the Pentagon, ARPANET, the World Wide Web, dinadakip siya. Dinakip siya ng Amerika without the permission of the government. Ano pa kaya ito ngayon, yung mga nangyayari? Diba? You have the later ex-President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Behind the deaths kasi, maraming namatay. Maraming napatay, napaslang. May mga bata, meron ding he has this legacy on Davao City. Not even the small kids were spared. Hindi na niya pinatawad pati yung mga bata because it is, alam ng Davao City yan. They knows it well because that is his legacy. And on it, may makikita kang brochure. It was like a storytelling, a book, diba? A book that represent his era as the Punisher. Ito na nabasa ko dun. Mahirap lang yung pamilya, mahirap na family, and then yung anak is like something ganyan, and yung anak pinagbawalan ng nanay. And when yung anak lumabas, and then bang, patay, diba? Namatay yung anak, and then the family did mourn for him, diba? Yun lang naman ang meron sa The Punisher era. So, siguro, aminado na rin siguro si Tata yun. Alam na rin niya yan. And he was seated as a president. So, sino nga bang hindi nanagot na presidente? Diba? Ni isa. Wala. Ni isa talaga. Wala. And he did siguro accept it na lang as a fact na it is either mamamatay siya or mamatay siya. Ganyan kasi talaga ang mundo ng public governance, pare ko, ay madugo at madugo at madugo at madugo. Nasabi ko siya because I too, hindi mo na itatanong, we also are like that. Ganyan din. Wala naman talagang mayor na walang casualty ng patay, rape case, walang local town na malinis. Lahat tayo na seated officials ng LGU, merong record na ganyan. Kaso nga lang, sa Davao City, he has this strong resolve na to kill them. Yan ang kaibahan nga lamang. Sa amin man, ang punishment dati is either you will be set on jail, pero hindi ka mamamatay, pero maghahallucinate ka. It's either you will become mentally ill or you will be seated on the jail, like ito na yung sinasabing na mercy killing. Hindi sa amin na term yan, It was like long before. Kaya maraming takot din na gumawa ng krimen. Because though hindi ka mapapatay in Davao City, though walang dadanak na bullet, pero I'm really sure mababaliw ka, mapapraning ka, and then you will have to suffer on the jail, nakatulala ka lang. Pero by that time siguro sirang-sira ang pamilya mo. Sirang tatay, nanay mo. And you will become like mentally ill. Dahil nakaupo ka lang dyan, tulala, mag-iisip saan ka kamali. Yan ang sinabi ko lang siya just so in case, kasi we are in the public governance. It is the reality ng public governance na nagme-merge ang teknolohiya. Yan. And I am just sad kasi walang paraan para mapa-experience Tatay Digong as all of, yan nga, on his seat as a local mayor. Yan ang nakakaanangan. Well, ang kamalasan nga lamang niya, because we are already in the world of technology. We are on the modern public governance. So, hindi na to yung sinauna pa. We've been there in the sinaunang style ng public governance and the security. We knows it. And Oh, dahil nga dun sa may alam mo, may sulat na, naisulat rin akong libro. Oh, sa hindi mo na itatanong. Naisulat ko yan. Ang kaibahan nga ngayon kasi, alam mo na, laganap ng internet, laganap ng social media, laganap ng teknolohiya. We're now already using smartphone na hindi natin alam. It was being managed by the USA, either China. Depende sa brand ng ano mo. Because that is how they do their work. Ito na yung modern security. Modern security. Modern way of securing the peace within your zone, even in international community. Ganyan lang naman ang discussion ko sa ano nga yun? How smart city manage their security. Na-discuss ko kanina yung ano, how smart city manage the economy. This time, how smart cities use and manage technology handling their security. Yan lang naman yan, i-discuss ko. Huwag ka na magtaka kung bakit yung ICC na yan is napunta dito. Kasi, yun na yan. At, pwede mong i-check yung video ni Tatay Digong before when he and Donald Trump met and he talked to the media. You will always have to check it because sinabi niya, are you the spy? Sinabi niya na, are you the spy? And then, laking tawa ni President Donald Trump. Because he knows it well. Ganyan nga naman maglaro ang gobyerno, pare ko, and that is how they use their smart city. I-out ko na to. You have a 15 minutes run on how smart city use technology and managing their smart city. Hindi ko, dinagdag ko yung sa amin na because baka magtaka, baka we are just pure on content. Wala tayong realidad. Idinagdag ko na lang siya because it is a small hint. Hint ko na yan para sa'yo. Para magbagong buhay ka. Sana magbagong buhay ka. Huwag kang huwag kang magkalat because even Tatay Digong was not spared. Ano pa kaya itong tao lamang? Namamayan ka lang, presidente, mayor na yan, na-prosecute pa. Ikaw pa kaya? Diba? Magbagong buhay ka kaya, ha? Baka mamaya may discuss ko sa iyo yung paano nila nakikita yung mga ganyan in our eyes and it will be reflected. Gusto mo? Sige, discuss mo. Because that's part of the security. That is the part of how government use security. Yung mata natin, we have the so-called oculus, di ba? It is called as ocular nerve na nakakonect sa brain ng tao. How are they doing it? Diba? Ito na yung naisulat ko long way before. Sige ma. No, ito yung panahon pa ng CRT. Walang internet, walang ganitong smart mobile phone, walang satellite, walang maraming cell site, ito yung panahon ng year 2000. Ito yung sinabi ko sa'yo na bigla na lang magre-reflect yung tinitignan ko doon sa bahay ng kapitbahay ko. Diyan, yan yung mata. And how are they doing it? Ito na yung naisulat ko. You have to read it before ka mag-visit sa YouTube channel ko because doon ko na isulat lahat. And magtataka ka, anong meron? Bakit? Why? Why is it happening? Bakit nagkaganyan yan? And there's no other way. Hindi ko rin sasabihin because on a family line, we did check yung ganyan. Yung hindi ko pwedeng i-share because pero alam mo, lahat tayo, even si Tatay Digong, he confirmed it. Nagtanong siya sa media, are you the spy? And sabi niya, napatawa na lang si Donald Trump at katabi. And we are like that. Kung yung presidente mo ganyan, that's why, ano ka pa kayang mamamayan? Mamamayan din yan dati. Mamamayan din si Tatay Digong dati na nabigyan ng posisyon, pumunta ng mayor, nagkaroon ng pribilehe yung mag-manage ng town, nagkaroon ng chance na maging presidente. But still, there are these still eyes. Diba? There are still eyes. O, diba? Ano ka pa? Kayang mamamayan lamang. So you better think carefully, ha? You better think carefully of your life. Kasi kahit ako nga, even I myself, almost, but I'm spared. Na-save ako. Because, ganyan ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas. That is how they do their security. So kung magtataka ka, kung tayo Pinoy, merong ganito, even Tatay Digong, the ex-president, Roa Duterte, was also being watched. Ano ka pa? Kaya, and when it comes to foreign country, the internationals, the USA, the Europe, diba? Korea, na-discuss ko sa'yo, Korea, mas moderno pa. The North Korea, they are already in a mandatory government services. Went here into the Philippines, and they rule their own regulation, and they, and they sundin nila yung own regulations and law nila when it comes to security and laws. Wala kang takas kahit ano pang gawin mo sa buhay mo. And they are now using internet. They have satellites hovering up. Diba? Kaya kayo dyan, mag-isip-isip kayo, because that is how city are doing there. They're part of the government. Ganyan sila. Kumilos sa seguridad. Ni ultimo terrorist walang takas sa kanila. Ito pa kaya. So kung magtataka ka, why is this happening? So wag ka na lang magtaka, because they are just doing their job. Kakayo dyan, isip kayo ng mga maling gawain, mga maling kilos. Maigi nang wag mo nang gawin, because it is a game over. Na-discuss ko na sa inyo yan. Yung frequency, yung mata, it was long way before 2000 and 25 na ngayon. Yung mga boses, matagal na yan. Maghugas dili ka. And whatever you're trying to think, whatever you're trying, any crimes na gusto mo gawin, you better think it carefully, because ano na tayo ngayon 2025. Year 2000, bata pa ako noon, boy. Naglalaro lang ako ng game console. Yung Super Mario Bro. Yung Donkey Kong, biglang magre-reflect yan sa ibang TV. At magtataka yung kapitbahay ko. Ba't paano nila ginagawa to? Ngayon pa kayang 2025 na. So you better think it carefully, because this is how security work. Ko na to. Out. Nadagdagan ng 14, so that's 30 minutes. Bye-bye. Out na.